Mukul Certified Recruiters, a program that will take your career to new heights as a recruitment professional. In today's era, where the number of recruiters and screeners is about 90% of the total HR people in most corporates, and with over 30,000 recruitment consultancies in India, recruitment is your key to success in HR. There's a huge shortage, and corporates are still unable to meet their workforce challenges due to lack of training options, as none of the HR-based trainings, including MBAs, provides practical expertise in recruitment. To build a strong career in recruitment and to outshine amongst recruitment and screening community and even leads, you need to be a Mukul certified recruiter. The techniques, methods, knowledge, practical expertise and the secrets shared in this program are directly from the co-founders and top management of Mukul Consultants Group and some other renowned recruitment industry professionals. Mukul Consultants is one of the top executive search and recruitment companies in India and has served over 1,000 large corporates and multinationals, being preferred recruitment partners for many of them. Here they share their secrets and knowledge that made them so successful and renowned in the industry. This course will take you to an expertise level in all: in executive search, headhunting, mass hiring, making expert and complex searches on portals, social networking, alternate methods of sourcing, professional HR interviewing, researching, mapping, strategizing, and in handling all recruitment challenges independently. It would provide you an in-depth knowledge on all functional areas, industries, skills, technologies, and everything that is required to make you a proficient recruitment professional and a star performer. The learnings from this program will give you a strong edge over highly experienced recruitment professionals, as a practical expertise provided in this program is neither given in any MBA course nor available elsewhere, as there is no alternative focused recruitment training course, and on job it may take more than 5 years to gain half the knowledge. Mukul Certified Recruiter course offers branding that corporates and consultancies highly appreciate and seek for their next recruiter hirings. So, now it's time to build a strong, rewarding career in recruitments, in getting appreciations, promotions, bigger incentives, being independent, and boasting of your knowledge. Join now to start your excellent and rewarding career in recruitments.